Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix INAZUMA 11 Victory Road if it is not launching, not loading, crashing, showing a black screen, or freezing on your PC. First, let us start with the most common cause, which is outdated graphics drivers. You need to update your graphics drivers to the latest version. If you are using an Nvidia graphics card, open the Nvidia website and download the newest driver for your model. The same applies to AMD or Intel users. After installing the update, restart your computer and try launching the game again. If the problem still happens, the next step is to verify the game files. Sometimes game files become corrupted or missing during download or updates. Open your game launcher, such as Steam. Find the game in your library. Right-click on the game and open Properties. Go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. The launcher will scan the game and automatically re-download any broken or missing files. This process may take a few minutes, so wait until it is finished. If the game still does not work after verifying files, the final step is to uninstall the game. Then download and install the game again from your launcher. This ensures you have a clean and fresh installation with no corrupted data. This usually solves most launching and crashing problems. Thanks for watching.